Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore a quick and easy way to mark a chat as unread on WhatsApp web using a keyboard shortcut. Whether you're trying to organize your conversations or revisit important messages later, this feature will save you time and keep you on top of your chats. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. To do this, launch your preferred browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Log in by scanning the QR code with your phone, and you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, select the chat you want to mark as unread. Simply click on the conversation to open it. This step ensures that the shortcut will apply specifically to the selected chat. Now, here's the magic. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus U on your keyboard. Instantly, the chat will be marked as unread. You'll notice a small green dot next to the conversation in your chat list, indicating its unread status. This is a handy visual cue to remind you which chats need your attention later. And that's it. With just 3 simple steps, opening WhatsApp web, selecting a chat, and using the shortcut, you've successfully marked a conversation as unread. This feature is perfect for managing priorities or keeping track of important threads without losing focus. Remember, this shortcut works seamlessly on both Windows PCs and Macs. So no matter your device, you can enjoy this functionality. It's part of WhatsApp's effort to make communication smoother and more efficient for desktop users. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Stay organized and make the most of WhatsApp web.